today we are going to transform your pronunciation so that by the end of this video you sound like a native. And we'll focus on the common mistakes made by Spanish speakers and give you some fun tongue twisters to leave you with perfect pronunciation. First, we often confuse our vowel sounds A, E and I, so here are a few useful phrases to help you practice. 1. A. The rain in Spain falls mainly on the plain. 2. Let's see how free the tree can be. 3. I spy with my little eyes something beginning with I. And here's a secret tip. The letter I has a little I above it to remind you that that is how we pronounce the letter. Next, a classic pronunciation difficulty that Spanish speakers have is the B versus the V sound. So it's all in how you move your mouth, like so. B, mouth goes in, V, the teeth come out. So here's a little phrase to help you practice. Betty's bag is very vibrant. Spaniards love to add an E sound before S words. For example, España or speaking. Super special sunny Spain is a perfect little phrase to help you practice your S pronunciation. Our fourth common error made by Spanish speakers comes down to the subject you. Often what I hear in the classroom is the pronunciation Jew, which is a different subject matter entirely. It's someone who celebrates the Jewish religion. So to help you remember how to practice it, follow my gesture, you, and that way it comes out perfectly. Finally, because the Spanish language tends to pronounce every syllable, in English it may tend to sound overstressed and unnatural, particularly when we're talking in the past and using past simple. Words, for example, started come out as started and not started. Another example would be mountain, and that's a word we often hear pronounced like that in the classroom, and it should be mountain. And lastly, try this at home. A goat in a blue coat with a sore throat likes to vote in a vote. Okay, so that's it. We hope you have fun practicing your tongue twisters. Please send any videos our way of you putting practice into action. And if you'd like some more speaking practice, check out our website for more information on special speaking courses that we have, in which you can practice more of your pronunciation with one of our native teachers. Don't forget to subscribe to Academia Británica International House to get more videos like this coming your way. And if you like what you saw today, give us a like and we'll look forward to seeing you soon. Goodbye.